sa aking mga subscriber, silent viewer, shout out sa inyo lahat. Meron ako ditong 1/4 dollar or $1/4 commemorative coin. $1/4 Washington Quarter, Blue Ridge Parkway, North Carolina. Features issuer United States, Rolling Federal Republic. Type circulating commemorative coins, year 2015, value 25 cents, 14 pesos sa Pilipinas. 14 pesos pala to. Maka 100 ka pala to eh. Meron ka ng $10.4. Ha? 100 $1.4. May magpapalit kaya dito? May 100 piraso ka nito. Currency dollar, composition copper, nickel clad copper. Copper talaga ito kasi tingnan mo, may kalahating bronze oh. Weight 5.67 grams. Diameter 24.26 mm. Thickness 1.75 mm. Shape round, technique meld orientation. Coin alignment. Coin alignment kasi baliktaran siya. Kagaya ng middle alignment na tamo 2015 na sa ibabaw o dapat pantayan. Obverse, the portrait in left profile of George Washington, the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. 2 terms din pala ito si George Washington, the first president ng Amerika. Is accompanied with the motto, "In God we trust." In God we trust. Ayun o, in God we trust. And the lettering Liberty. Ito Liberty. Surrounded with the denomination and the inscription United States of America. Denomination $1/4 United States of America. Tapos yung mint mark nya D. Nandito yung El Pilibus Unum. Ay, hindi. Andito pala, oh. El Pilibus Unum. Nasa likod pala. Nasa reverse. Reverse. The design depicts the grace and curvature of the road hanging the side of mountain with the North Carolina state flower in the foreground. Ibig sabihin, ito yung national flower ng United States state of Carolina. Ito bulaklak to. Lettering Blue Parkway. Blue Parkway, North Carolina, El Pilibus Unum, No Parkway, North Carolina, El Pilibus Unum. Ito year 2015. presyo niya, meron siyang good hanggang very good 14 pesos, 18 and fine hanggang very fine, extra fine 27 hanggang almost uncirculated, 55 ang uncirculated. Ang 2015D IP 14 pesos ang good, 18 pesos ang very good hanggang fine, very fine 27, extra fine 29 hanggang almost uncirculated, 52 ang uncirculated. Ang proof uncirculated lang 110, S ang mint mark nya. Ang isang mint mark na S na circulated, 62 ang uncirculated. Mahal din kumpara mo sa 14 pesos, mahal siya. So mga kaibigan, ano pwede maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press ng subscribe, pa-press ng notification bell, pa-select ng all para notify kayo pag ako mag-upload ng video. Pa-like na rin at kung gusto nyo i-share, pa-share na rin. Salamat.